Hi guys, welcome back to BI Explorer. Today in this episode, we're going to share to everyone how to use Power BI to create simple report in just a few minutes time. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first let's launch our Power BI. And first of all, we will need some data. So let's click Get Data button. And we can import a CSV file, so let me select the CSV from all the options. Alright, let's open this file. This is a facts tables that have all the sales transaction done. Next, let's load the data. You may see this yellow notification bar on top of it. However, you can ignore it right now. Thus, you can see a number of fields in the field pane. So let's select the fields that call excluding text. So in here, you can see Power BI will automatically create the bar chart by default, and the field that we selected was recognized as a numeric numbers. So this will be automatically added into this value here in this visualize pane. After that, we can move the bar charts and resize it easily by simply dragging it, you see, like this. On this left hand side, there are 3 icons representing different views that we covered previously. So we are right now in the report view, where we can easily create our visualizations over here. And next, this is the data view when we can examine our raw data. And these are several columns referring to the keys. For instance, these columns that call salesperson key. Right now, let's load the dimension tables that call employee list. This is an Excel file this time. So to do it, let's go to the get data again and select Excel. So employee list is a table that holding most of the information about the salespersons for each of their transactions. So we will connect it to our facts tables to use it. Hence, let's just select the spreadsheet that call employee list and load it. We can see employee list right now in the data view and the field panes. So there's several columns, including one that call employee key. So right now, let's go to the model views, the third views. So here we can make a relationships between the data that we have been loaded. So we connect the salesperson key to the employee keys through dragging it. Now the PBI is aware that there's a relationship between these two files that we load. So let's go back to the report view. Now let's add employees to our graph by selecting our graph and the field. Power BI will automatically add these text fields to the axis in visualizations pane. So let's stretch out our graph to be more readable. And our bar chart shows the sales of each salesperson have been generated rather than just the total sales, which is more interesting right now. We are going to select a blank part of the screen and select cuts. We're going to add the same total excluding text field. The field is now on the field in the visualize pane, and now we see the total of the bar show here over here. So now you can see it's quite interactive. If I click on the Lily codes, then the cards will show me her total. Or I click author, so we can see the totals of authors that have been made. And if I unselect by clicking it again, so you can see it go back to the totals of the bar charts. So now I can also play around it with different visualizations types by selecting my bar charts and trying out different types of visualizations like tree map or donut chart and more and more. Besides, note that it's also possible for us to load an already existing reports, and we can just do it by clicking on the File tab, the Open menu, and browse the report that we want to open. Now, we can see the reports that I used in the previous episodes, and the corresponding data has been loaded. Alright, so that's all for this episode. I hope you guys learn how to use Power BI to create basic report. So if you have any question or any suggestion, feel free to comment at below. And if you like our video, please help us to like, share and subscribe our channel. For the next episodes, we're going to teach everyone how to use Slicer and create table in your visualizations so that you can make your report more interactively and informative. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.